Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review the best kitchen appliances. Today we're comparing two popular air fryers, the Chefman air fryer and the Emeril Legacy air fryer. Let's see which one is the best fit for your kitchen needs. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. The Chefman air fryer has a sleek, square shape with non-stick stainless steel finish, making it perfect for limited counter space. Its 8-quart capacity is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, and offices, making it easy to store. On the other hand, Emeril Legacy's air fryer has the largest capacity in the market with 26 quarts and a full menu of 24 custom presets. It's a countertop cooker with a single hand opening, making cooking more convenient. The Chefman air fryer has a temperature range from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to air fry 98% less oil than traditional fryers, with presets that make cooking easier at the push of a button. The Emeril Legacy air fryer has an extra hot 500 degrees Fahrenheit convection crisp technology that generates 360 degrees airflow at higher temperatures, up to 30% faster than traditional ovens, with up to 70% fewer calories from fat, making it perfect for healthy cooking. The Chefman air fryer has an 8-quart non-stick basket and a flat frying tray, both dishwasher safe for easier cleanup. The Emeril Legacy air fryer, on the other hand, comes with every accessory and tool required for delicious family meals, including a crisper tray basket, air fryer rack, baking pan, grill plate with handle, rotisserie spit set, rotisserie fetch tool, drip tray, and an easy-to-follow recipe guide. The Chefman air fryer is priced at $99, while the Emeril Legacy air fryer is more expensive. However, it has a larger capacity than the Chefman air fryer, and it also comes with all the accessories. So it purely depends on your kitchen needs and budget. That's all for today's review. We hope it helped you choose the perfect product for your kitchen needs. Which air fryer are you planning to buy? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching.